Hello everyone! Let's solve these double-digit addition problems with regrouping. 79 plus 48. Add the ones place. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Write the 7 in the ones place and carry over the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. The answer is 127. 79 plus 48 equals 127. 85 plus 96. Add the ones place. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Write the 1 in the ones place and carry over the other one to the tens place. Then add the tens place. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. The answer is 181. 85 plus 96 equals 181. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.